Welcome back to Hot Rod High School. In today's episode, we're going to do a quick oil change here on this GMC. First thing that we need to realize about this one though, is it has one of these canister type oil filters. So it's done a little bit differently from how we've done it on some of the others. So coveralls on, safety glasses on, let's go to work. All right, to begin with, you do not need to take off the air filter housing, the plenum cover and all that, but we are going to go ahead and remove this. I've already loosened it up here. So we'll pull it off there. We will pull out this one vacuum tube here. Unplug the mass airflow sensor, and I've already got the bolts off for the air filter housing. I can lift up, get out of our way. This is really just so you can see down in there a little bit better. So we're going to pull out the dipstick here, just to have a little bit more room to maneuver around our oil filter housing. Take our old filter, take it off the housing. Prior to putting on our new filter, take out the little O-ring that's on there. Might need to slide in there, let's see. Just pull out our old O-ring like so. Put the new one on into place. Now we can take the new oil filter, clip it onto the housing. And then I always like to get a little bit of oil. We'll just lube up that new O-ring with it. Now it's ready to install the filter. And you don't want to tighten this up too much. About 20 to 25 foot-pounds is the absolute max on this. And really, we're just going to go until it gets snugged up completely tight. Now that we got our oil filter removed and replaced, we're going to take and replace drain our oil. So we'll get the drain plug out of the way. Okay, now that we got our oil drained, we'll reinstall our drain plug. Car going down. So I'd already gone through and gotten a printout of all the oil changes I was going to do today for my capacity information. This one takes 5 quarts, so that's just the whole jug. So now I'm going to start the car up, let oil circulate, check for any warning lights, and as long as everything looks good, we'll just check the oil level on the dipstick, and we are done. Okay, now we check the oil. We see that it's nice and full on the dipstick, and that is it. Thanks for watching another episode of Hot Rod High School. If your school doesn't offer an auto shop class or you're a homeschooler, we've got the thing for you. That's right, introducing our first ever auto shop in a box. Specifically designed for students between 5th and 12th grade. Our kits include the engine rebuild, the brake line flare, precision measurement, valve adjustment, and an award-winning curriculum. Click the link in the description below to learn more on our website and purchase your kit today, which will be shipped directly to your home. But don't worry, it's not coming in this thing. You can like and subscribe if you want to. It doesn't make a difference to me. But what does make a difference is you shifting your education into high gear with Hot Rod High School. Thanks for watching.